Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Sophie. Anyways, we'll be heading straight into the deets and how to get this hair done. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Let's get straight into it.
I just wish.
I needed a rat tail comb and I guess a gigantic comb to comb and get my hair ready for, the styling. Comb your hair gently with your comb. I'm just feeling my hair right now because it be looking cute. The first thing we're going to do is neatly part our hair at the center. The fact that I was doing this without a mirror is such a huge deal for me. I guess I've just parted my hair so much that I know how to do it without looking at a mirror. Anyways, take your rubber band and hold one half of the hair. We don't want any stubborn hairs getting in the way of our styling. To ease our styling, we're going to make our first half a third. We really don't be wanting any division issues out here. We'll be cutting out our first wave line. I prescribe you do it from the middle just because it's easier and it's more accurate. Hold back the rest of the hair and then moisturize the edges of the hair that we'll be working with. Next is neatly weaving out the hair with a teeny bit of pressure just so we have a sleek lineup. Release the pressure and make the ends of your weaving really light, just so it doesn't have a bulge when you're trying to pack it up. If your hair looks anything like this, then you're doing it right. Let's keep going. Take a second part that will serve as our second line and just weave it in. Looking cute, looking cute. Oh my days. Now repeat the same action on the other half. The other side of your hair. Look at the way I take the hair slightly to the back. It will help you when you're packing. Now we're done with the hardest part of this particular style. Let's get straight into packing. Do I still need to sing the comb your hair song? Moisturize the hair, especially at the back, so it doesn't look tacky. You know what to do. Pack the hair up, darling. My hair is literally screaming, go easy on me, baby. Woof! Now look at that. I'm not even done, and ooh! Repeat the same packing action on the other side. Done, done, done. If you followed through to the end, then well done, darling. Look at that beautiful hair. You should have this beautiful hair. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you like what you got. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. See you in my next video. Mwah.